Hey guys, we're at Joann Fabrics. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, because I'm gonna take you shopping and you don't even have to get off your buns and risk spending a bunch of money. Unless you see something you absolutely love and this video makes you jump up. I love the simplicity of this. Super chic farmhousey. I'm gonna say this is $49. What is this back here? Oh, that's a cool frame with the glass we'll see through. That's really nice. I want to make one of these with the chicken wire. Really want to do that. Alright, stay tuned guys. I'm going to show you all around the store real quick. And you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Oh, cool. Wow, they're really stepping up their glass and plastic jar game. Look how little that is. It's so tiny. Alright, let's go to the decor. To the decor. Wait, one more thing. I really like this. Linen pinboard is what they're calling it. Oh, let's see. Oh, this has lights. Because a Dollar Tree, this is $1. Where's the price? I've seen this last time I was here. I love this sign. Love, love, love. Here's all the Memorial Day and 4th of July stuff. $30, and I think it's half off. It's pretty cool. This is really neat. Oh my god. There's a little solar thing on it. Oh no, no, no. There are fairy lights in it. This is a nice little rug. Oh my god, look how cool this is. Solar light. Where can I hang one of these? Where could I hang this? I try to put out new tea towels for different holidays. I like this one, this one. This is borderline very mature, but I like it. This is cool. Put a couple little flowers in it, and that'll be really cute. Oh my gosh. I wish this was a different color. I like that. I've been wanting one of these. I can't find the perfect one. Oh my god, everything's so cute. Oh my god, look at these watering jugs. I need a good one too. Oh my god, all this stuff is 70% off. So this is $30, so I don't know, like $10, $11. These are really cool. I love this. I'll put that back in a minute. Oh my goodness. I should not have come here. I'm gonna spend so much money. This is nice. It's really thick material. Oh, these are really cool. I'm really digging this one. $9.99 with 50% off. This is so simple. I really like it. Just says relax. I hate when my house gets too cluttered. This is cool. Oh my god, you guys, I've never seen so much decor in here. I decided to do this at the right time. Look, all of these nautical tea towels. I'm gonna get my hands on one of these soon. Oh, this is neat. What does it say? Beauty surrounds us. I like the metal on the wood with all the different textures. I don't know if I like the saying or not. Oh, look, here's one in a different color. I don't really love that color either. Wow, they must be having a sale. There's so much decor. Hey, look at this with the nautical rope. Alright guys, if you like these come shop with me videos, make sure to subscribe. Oh my god, love this basket. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, let me know what you thought. I'm gonna get to shopping and pick out everything I'm gonna get. So thank you for coming to shop with me, and I'll see you on the next one. How nice is that? Really nice. It is $24. I have always wanted one of these planters. I thought I would have to build it myself. But right now it's $49.99 with, I believe it's 70% off at Joann's. Yes, I love this. I just don't know if I have anywhere to put it. Oh my gosh, decisions. And this white pot is really cool. It's just so simple and white. I've been looking for eucalyptus at Joann's and I can never find it. And on Amazon it seems like super pricey. Let me keep looking. Oh wow, here's a bigger one. Oh, it says bloom on the front. I don't love that one as much. That's pretty. Someone put all that in this thing. This is different. I'm kind of digging it. Look at this one. You guys, I'm in the clearance section and I'm in trouble. This was not supposed to happen. They have so much stuff hiding in here. I found these little tea towels for $1.47. Look at me. Can you see me? Can you see me? I'm back here sweating. I'm sweating digging through all of this clearance. You guys, what? You guys, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen these stamps. Don't forget. Well, that's pretty rad. Wow. $6.47. Not bad, because stamps can get pretty expensive. Whoa. For all my cat lovers out there. Project Life. 100 white cards. Guys, you have no idea. There's toys. There's Hatchimals. There's weird tape. There's paint. There's those balls. I forget what it's called. Okay, I better get out of here. I think I found all the good stuff. What is that? You guys, what do you do with this? I've never seen that. So I was looking at these papers because they're really expensive because I bought one a while ago. These are only $2.97. I feel like I have to get it. It's only $2.50. I don't know. I better get my butt out of here before I get in trouble. Even though no one tells me to do what to do, so I don't know who I'm going to get in trouble with. I just feel like these are nice. Alright, I'm sweating. There's hats, clothes, Hatchimals. Hatchimals. Look at that yarn. Oh, I didn't look at that yet.